guys! Welcome to this vlog. Today was my birthday and baby River's christening. Thank you so much mga ninongs and titos who attended our very special day. We are so lucky to have you there. Your presence is really something that really made me feel me and River and John felt so loved by all of you guys. So thank you for coming. And now we're gonna open your gifts. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so fun for mommy. So let's do it. Can you see me? Let's text Dada if he wants to join our unboxing, or it's just gonna be me. Ta-da! First gift is, it says, "Welcome to the Christian world." This is from Baby Loris to River from Ate Loris. Perfect! We love it! We love this. Aww! Thank you! Thank you so much for your gift. It's so cute. OMG! Ang daming naman! Oh, wow! Look at OMG! OMG! Tingnan mo dyan! Look at this! Yay! Yay! Thank you! From Rafa! From Baby Rafa! Love it. Wow, we love this. Thank you so much. Yeah, this is so pretty. Thank you, Tito Phil and Tita Adele. Thank you so much. OMG! So many things. So many things. Oh my god. I love this! Wet wipes! You can never get too much wet wipes. Thank you so much! What? Laundry detergent! Yes! Ano yan? New gel. Awesome! Thank you, Jillian! Awesome! Yeah! The table! Freaking table! Huh? Hey, thank you, Ninong Vic! It's so nice! So, ayun guys, na-open ko na lahat ng gifts and here they are! Thank you so much, Ninongs and Ninangs, Titos and Titas who gave us all of this gift. You made us feel so much love. And we appreciate everything. Thank you talaga for giving us a lot of these presents. We really need it. I really am thankful. Thank you so much. What else can I say? I can say that I'm very happy with all of the gifts. Thank you so much yung mga damit, you know. This one, pang summer na summer. Thank you, Tito Wa and Tita Cyril for giving us this. And this is so cool. Summer na summer talaga. This one is from Ate Loris. So nice. Ang ganda ng style. Oh, diba? Ay! I love it so much. Tito Joey, I love this. I love these wet wipes. Napakagamit na gamit sa baby. Siya talaga naubusan na kami ng wet wipes. It's so good. So, sa mga new moms out there, wag muna kayong mag-shopping ng to the max kasi when the time comes na bibinyagan yung baby mo or you have a birthday party, ang dami-dami mong gifts na matatanggap. So, thank you, Cyril, for giving me that tip na wag mo nang masyadong mag-shopping kasi marami ka rin matatanggap on different occasions. So, ayun, hindi nga kami nag-shopping. And all of this will be used by baby. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. And, yeah, that's our vlog for today. This is all the gifts that we received. Subscribe for good vibes. And see you on the next video. Bye! The beautiful sunset dito sa Metro Manila. Oh my God. I love na it's just there. Everything is so pretty. Love the sunset. So lucky to have sunset view here. Grabe, ang kalat-kalat ko na. Shit, kailangan ko ayusin ulit. Yeah, kalat-kalat. I see Yaya. Deads. Deads. Deads na deads. Pagod. Pagod si baby. Ay, pagoda, tragedy.